What's up guys, this is Skate Tutors and this is how to shoe goo your shoes. First of all, you need a pencil and you go out and buy shoe goo. I actually used to sell this in my parents' skate shop and I've been using this stuff for years and it works great. It can make your skate shoes last forever. I'm gonna put a link in the bottom of the screen where you actually can get this shoe goo at off Amazon, and it's affiliate link, so if you click on the link and you buy something, I get a small commission, but that helps support Skate Tutors so I can make more product reviews, tutorial videos, and awesome, fun entertainment videos for you guys. So basically, you gotta get your beat up shoes, like mine right here, and I've been skating this giant Andy Anderson skateboard, and this thing's a beast, so it's been destroying my shoes. Getting ready for my first skateboarding competition, and if you want to check out those videos about me training for my competition and see the competition video, just click on the screen up here and it'll take you to that playlist. So basically the first thing you want to do is open the shoe goo, and good thing to do is open a window in your house, or do this outside. So yeah, you take it out of the package, yep, and it's called Shoe Goo. You unscrew the top, and it's got a little seal on it right there, as you can see. You take your pencil or pointed object and just stick it on the end through that, and it comes out, and it's gooey. So you could always get a rag and to wipe your excess shoe goo away, because it's gonna get on your hands. You always can wear protective gloves. I don't really care, I just kind of get it on my fingers and it dries up and you can just kind of wash it off or peel it off. But I've been doing it so long, I don't really care. I just have a rag so I can wipe that stuff off if I need to. So basically, you got your shoe goo out, you unscrewed it, you popped the seal. So I don't need shoe goo on this shoe, so I'll put the shoe aside. And this is the shoe where it ripped, right here, as you can see. I'll zoom in. We got a rip going here, right here. It usually rips along where it is sewed on the shoe. So basically you want to kind of like glob it up along all in there. And I'm gonna put some up here too, as you can see, because it's kind of, there's a little gap there where the sewing came undone, so I'm gonna shoe goo that too. Alright, so I got the damaged shoe. I'm just gonna pull back floppy part, and I'm just going to take the shoe goo and squeeze it from the bottom of it and just glob it in there, nice and globby, nice and good amount, not too much, but you want to get enough, and it's going to get a little messy. You just got to get ready for it. I mean, and then you can I already got it on my fingers, so you just take your rag and wipe it off. Put this down, take your pencil and kind of just smear it around. You can kind of just smush the floppy layer of shoe back into place like that. And just kind of smooth out the goop. And then I got a good amount in there, so I want to put a little bit more over the stitch line. So I'm just going to do like a line of goop like this. Just like that. And you want to make sure you get a good amount, because like it almost acts like a extra layer of, I'm gonna even put some up here, like that, and just smear it on there like that, because it's like almost turns into an extra layer of rubber for your shoes. Doesn't look the most attractive thing. I mean, if you can afford skate shoes every other day, I would probably just buy new shoes, but like me, I don't make a lot of money, especially with skateboarding, so I try to make stuff last, and I literally just bought these shoes, and I've been training for this competition and just skating this awesome park up by me, this cement park, and just destroying them. So yeah, you got that all smoothed out, you can see. Got a good amount of shoe goo in there. Check it out. All gooped up in the place. And now I'm gonna move on to this part. It's all smoothed out. Might throw a little bit more, this part's sticking up, so I might throw a little bit more on there. You can let them dry on your back porch for a couple days. And it's just a nice clear coat across all the ripped and damaged parts of the shoe. If you want to put another layer of Shoe Goo on it, you can. But you can see it's nice, solid, shiny coating of like almost like new rubber on the shoe. So make sure you smash the like if you got value out of this video. Subscribe for more tutorial videos, and always comment if you have any questions about how to fix your skate shoes. Then you're ready to go shred the park, and make sure you guys click on the screen for more skateboarding videos.